Hey guys, how's it going? This is Mike from M&R Automotive. Today we have a Subaru Outback and we're going to be removing the front bumper. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. Okay, first thing we're going to do is remove the clips on the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's also two 10mm bolts. Kind of like tug on it. Yeah, I think that's it. Let's get inside the fender. There's a couple of clips that we're going to remove here. I see 4. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're going to do the same thing on the passenger side. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we're gonna go ahead and remove all the clips from the bottom. So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab the side, and I'm gonna try to peel the bumper off the clips. So we released it here, and we're gonna go do the same thing on the passenger. So I'm going to peel the top and unclip everything. Let's see what else is here. Good, good, good. There's a harness here. We're going to go ahead and disconnect it. And let me see the same thing on the passenger side. We're going to go ahead and press on it and pull it. So now that we got all the clips removed, now we can take the whole bumper off. And this is how you remove a bumper from the Subaru Outback. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something, and stay tuned. We're going to install some light bars behind the bumper.